and action.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Eat at Andrew's in the KwaZulu-Natal Midlands. We're just outside of Howick. We're a small little restaurant bringing you local product with no compromise on flavour. Everything is locally sourced and freshly produced. Today I'm going to show you a coriander pesto. Coriander is easy to come by and relatively cheap, whereas basil isn't always. So why compromise your budget and in the sake of flavour? Using fresh coriander, I've got 2 cups roughly chopped. Add that into your blender. You can use a stick blender if you like. For every 2 cups of fresh herb, you want to use just on half a cup of grated parmesan. Really invest in a really good whole wedge of parmesan from your local store. The other trick we're going to be doing here is using locally sourced pecan nuts. Pine nuts can also be very pricey, and they're always imported. So use pecans, use something with a low carbon footprint, something that is easy to come by as well. For every cup of herb, use a clove of garlic. I like lots of garlic. You can change this for your family and for your own personal flavor. Just peel it, crush it, throw it in. If, like me, you want more, go ahead. Season generously with salt and pepper. I use pink Himalayan salt. It isn't as salty as other salt, so use a little bit extra, and some fresh cracked pepper. For this recipe and 2 cups of chopped fresh herb, we're going to use half a cup of oil. Be generous. Also, again, a good blended oil or pomace will work for you. Olive oil can sometimes be overpowering, especially if it's a virgin olive. A trick that isn't in most recipes, and one that I like, is a little bit of acidity. You can use lemon juice. I like to use red wine vinegar. Just brings a little bit of zing to your end product, and also prevents the coriander from oxidizing and turning brown. If, like now, you see you've got a bit of a problem, get in there, stamp it down, and always add a little bit of extra oil if you need that extra lubrication. This will be ready in about 2 minutes of blending, and it should be a nice fine paste. Don't take it too far or you won't have any texture, and that carries the flavor. Use this in your pastas, rub it over a piece of chicken, put it on a braai, work it into mayonnaise. It's delicious just as is.